Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make shrimp poke bowl step by step. Start by cooking shrimp gently and seasoning while rice cooks, keep ingredients chilled. Chop vegetables evenly and make a tangy dressing. Toast sesame seeds and set out toppings. Layer warm rice, shrimp, veggies, and drizzle dressing slowly. Finish with crunch and a squeeze of lime, ready to serve for a bright, balanced bowl. Peel and devine shrimp, leaving tails optional for presentation, then pat dry and season simply. Heat a skillet until hot, add a bit of oil, and sear shrimp quickly on both sides for a bright, firm bite. Transfer to a bowl and chill briefly to preserve texture while you finish rice and toppings. This keeps shrimp juicy and prevents overcooking for a perfect poke bowl experience that is easy and rewarding. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, voice control, smart mapping, and powerful suction that gives you time to cook. On another note, it's a fun way to keep your kitchen tidy between meals. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Cook sushi rice until tender, then fold in seasoned rice vinegar for that classic poke base and let it cool slightly. Slice avocado, cucumber, and scallions into even pieces for balanced bites. Prepare a quick pickle by soaking thin ginger or onion in rice vinegar while you assemble. Toast sesame seeds and prepare crunchy elements like fried shallots. These components come together to create texture and fresh flavor in every spoonful of your shrimp poke bowl.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.